Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. Today we're doing Maths Olympiad Sample Paper Class 5. Mathematical Reasoning question number 1. Poonam starts walking from point C and reaches point I while walking through points D, E, F, G and H. If she moves only in east, north and south directions, then how many minimum number of times did she make a 90-degree turn? Let us see where she will make a 90-degree. First C to D, then E to F, then F to G, G to H. So she will make 4 90-degree turns going from C to I. Mathematical reasoning question number 2. Which of the following figures have only one line of symmetry? As we can see here, P doesn't have any line of symmetry. S has 2 lines of symmetry and Q also doesn't have any line of symmetry, but R has only one line of symmetry. So our answer is D option. Mathematical reasoning question number 3. Find the area of the shaded region. So in order to find the area of the shaded region, we need to find all the squares which are shaded. So number of fill squares that are shaded is equal to 6 and number of half squares shaded is equal to 19. Half plus half is equal to 1 square. So total number of fill squares is equal to 6 plus 19 by 2, which is equal to 31 by 2. Area of 1 square is equal to 4 square centimeters. Area of shaded region is equal to 31 by 2 into 4, which is equal to 62 square centimeter. Mathematical reasoning question number 4. How many of the shapes of the given figure must be shaded so that 2 by 5 of the figure is unshaded? First, we need to find the total number of shapes in the given figure. As we can see here, this part is equal to 5 hexagons. So similarly, the same part is repeated 5 times. So there are 5 hexagons 5 times. Total number of shapes which is equal to 25. Number of unshaded figure is equal to 2 by 5 into 25, which is equal to 10. Therefore, number of figures that need to be shaded is equal to 25 minus 10, which is equal to 15. So 15 of these need to be shaded so that 2 by 5 of this figure is actually unshaded. Mathematical reasoning question number 5. Find the missing number in the given mathematical statement. In order to find the missing number in this mathematical statement, we need to follow a rule called BODMAS. So, simplifying this statement using the rule BODMAS, we get X as option A. Mathematical reasoning question number 6. In the given figure not drawn to scale, QR is 3 by 5 as long as PR and ST is equal to TU, which is equal to UV. What is the perimeter of PQUV? In order to find the perimeter of PQUV, we need to find the length of PQ, QU, UV and PV. From the figure, we know that QU is equal to 18 meters, PV is equal to 26 meters. Using this, let us find PQ and UV. Given length of QR is equal to 3 by 5 into 60, which is equal to 36. Since in the question it's given as QR is 3 by 5 as long as PR and PR in the given figure is 60 meters. So the length of QR is equal to 36 meters. Now the length of PQ is equal to PR minus QR, which is equal to 60 minus 36, that is 24 meters. Given ST is equal to TU, which is equal to UV. We know that the total of this, that is VS, is equal to 60 meters. And this VS is divided into 3 equal parts. So we can find the value of all the 3 equal parts, that is each is 20 meters. Using all these values we just found out, we can find the perimeter of PQUV. The perimeter of PQUV is equal to PQ plus UQ plus VU plus PV. So the perimeter of PQUV is equal to 88 meters. Mathematical reasoning question number 7. Find the unshaded area of the given figure. So now area of the big rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 48 square centimeters. So the area of the smaller rectangle, which they have also given, that is length into breadth, which is equal to 6 square centimeter. So now the area of the unshaded rectangle is equal to total area of ABCD minus area of shaded part of ABCD, that is the smallest rectangle. So area of the unshaded rectangle is equal to 42 square centimeters. Mathematical reasoning question number 8. In the given figure not drawn to scale, ABCD is a square and unshaded parts are the rectangles. Find the shaded area of the given figure. Total area of square ABCD is equal to 40 into 40, which is equal to 1600 square centimeter. Area of one rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 8 into 10, which is equal to 80 square centimeters. Area of the two rectangles is equal to 80 into 2, which is equal to 160 square centimeters. Now, the shaded area of the given figure is equal to total area of the square ABCD minus unshaded area of those two rectangles we just now found out, which is equal to 1440 square centimeters. Mathematical reasoning question number 9. If book plus pen plus pencil is equal to 70, book plus pen is equal to 63 and 3 pens are equal to 54, then find the value of pencil plus pen. Now we are writing everything in equation form. From equation 3, we know that 3 pens are equal to 54. So using this, we can find the value of 1 pen, that is 18. Now substituting the value of P in equation 2, we can find the value of book, that is 45. And substituting the value of pen and book in equation 1, we can find the value of pencil. Then pencil is equal to 7. Then pencil plus pen is equal to 25. Mathematical reasoning question number 10. What must be subtracted from 1163 by 7 to get twice the 11th multiple of 7? 11th multiple of 7 is equal to 77 and we need to find the twice of that. So 1163 by 7 minus 154 is equal to x. So using this, we can find the value of x, that is equal to 85 by 7. Mathematical reasoning question number 11. Find the value of P plus Q. Between 1 and 2, there are 5 divisions. So the first division is 1, 1 by 5. Second is 1, 2 by 5. And third is 1, 3 by 5. And the fourth is 1, 4 by 5. So similarly, between 2 and 3, there are 5 divisions. And 3 and 4, there are 5 divisions. So in that 5 division, 1 is P and 1 is Q. So the value of P is equal to 2, 2 by 5. And Q is equal to 3, 4 by 5. Now the value of P plus Q is equal to 6, 1 by 5. Mathematical reasoning question number 12. X is a decimal number greater than 8 with 2 decimal places. Sum of its digits at tenths and hundredths place is more than 7. Find the value of x. In order to do this problem, we are going to check the options. Here, every option satisfies the first point. That is, x is a decimal number greater than 8 with 2 decimal places. Second one is sum of 10th and 100th places more than 7. And in the C option, the 10th digit is 6 and 100th digit is 3. Adding them, we get 9. So the answer over here is the option C. Mathematical reasoning question number 13. Find the value of x. We're gonna also check the options for this question. First, we're gonna take the ones place digit that we have added. If x is equal to 0, then the ones place digit will be 4. If x is equal to 4, then the ones place digit will be 12. When x is equal to 6, we get the value as 60. Here, when we put 6 in the x place and if we carry forward 1, it will be correct because all the sequence is going correctly. So let us just check if this is correct. Yes, it is going perfectly. So the answer is C. Mathematical reasoning question number 14. Find the value of P. As we can see here, given P plus Q is equal to 15,500 grams. That is equation 1. P plus P plus Q is equal to 23,000 grams. That is equation 2. Substituting the value of P plus Q from equation 1 to equation 2, we can get the value of P, that is 7,500 grams. That is 7 kg 500 grams. Mathematical reasoning question number 15. In the morning, the room temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours, it had gone up by 7 degrees Celsius. And then after 3 hours, it had gone down by 5 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature after 5 hours? So first let us calculate. After 2 hours, the temperature will be 34 degrees Celsius. Then after 3 hours, the temperature will be 29 degrees Celsius. So the temperature after 5 hours is equal to 29 degrees Celsius. Mathematics question number 16. How many of the following letters do not have any line of symmetry? T has a line of symmetry, I has a line of symmetry, and C has a line of symmetry. So R and K do not have any line of symmetry. That is, two letters of the following figure don't have any line of symmetry. Mathematical reasoning question number 17. The given clock shows the time at which the cricket match finishes in the evening. If the match was 3 hours 20 minutes long and there was a break of 30 minutes in between, then at what time did the match start? So time the cricket match gets over is equal to 6:20. Duration of the match is equal to 3 hours 20 minutes. Including the 30 minutes, we will get 3 hours 50 minutes. So the starting time of the match is equal to 6:20 minus 3 hours 50 minutes. If you borrow 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. So if there are already 20 minutes in the minutes area, we have to add 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80. So from this, we can further subtract. So the answer will be 2:30. So the match will start at 2:30. Mathematical reasoning question number 18. Which of the following options will replace the question mark in the same order as in the options to make the number sequence true? In order to find out the answer to this question, we're going to check every single option. In option A, the answer is 3.82 minus 5. If we subtract minus 5 from 3.82, we will get the answer in negative numbers. But as we can see here, we got the answer over here as 1.1. So this option A is wrong. In option B, the answer is 2.02, which is wrong because we need to get 1.1. In option C, the answer is correct because we got 1.1. Mathematical reasoning question number 19. Devika works 45 hours in 5 days from Monday to Friday. If she worked 4 1/2 hours on Tuesday, 9 hours on Thursday, and 5 1/2 hours on Friday, then how many hours did she work on Monday and Wednesday together? Total hours she worked on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday is equal to 19 hours. Total hours she worked from Monday to Friday is equal to 45 hours. So total hours she worked on Monday and Wednesday together is equal to total hours minus total hours she worked on Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, which is equal to 26 hours. Mathematical reasoning question number 20. 4/5 of a number is 20 more than 2/3 of the same number. Find the number. Let us take number to be x. Given 4/5 into x is equal to 2/3 into x plus 20. Simplifying this statement, we can find the value of x, which is equal to 150. Mathematical reasoning question number 21. What is the sum of shaded fractions of the given figure? So in figure 1, there are 10 squares and 3 are shaded. So 3/10. In the second figure, there are 8 divisions and 3 are shaded. So which is equal to 3/8. So the sum of the shaded fractions of the given figures is equal to 27/40. Mathematical reasoning question number 22. How many of the given figures have parallel lines? Now in order to do this question, we need to know what a parallel line is. So parallel lines are two or more lines that are always at the same distance apart and never intersect. They are always equidistant to each other and run in the same direction. As you can see here in the figures, we have only 4 figures which have parallel lines. Mathematical reasoning question number 23. How many of the following letters have at least one pair of perpendicular lines? Now, in order to solve this question, we need to know what are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are the two lines that intersect at each other at correct right angles or 90 degrees. So, we have 3 letters which have at least one pair of perpendicular lines in the given figure. Mathematical reasoning question number 24. A water tank can hold 49 5 by 6 liters of water. How much water will be contained in 3 such tanks? One tank can hold 299 by 6 liters. Therefore, 3 tanks can hold 149 1 by 2 liters. Mathematical reasoning question number 25. How many packets of 750 grams pulses each can be packed from 30 kg sacks of pulses? Total weight of pulses to be packed is equal to 30 kgs. Weight of one packet of pulses is equal to 750 grams. So therefore, number of packets we can pack in 30 kg is equal to 40 packets. Mathematical reasoning question number 26. How many pairs of intersecting lines are there in the given figure? M intersects with O and L. We get 2 pairs of intersecting lines, that is ML and MO. N intersects with O and L. We get 2 more pairs of intersecting lines, that is NO and NL. And finally, L and O intersect. We get 1 pair of intersecting line, that is LO. Together we have 5 pairs of intersecting lines. Mathematical reasoning question number 27. Find the minimum number of squares that must be shaded to make the given figure symmetrical along the dotted lines. As we can see here, this box is shaded, but to the opposite there's nothing shaded. So if we do not shade this, it will not be symmetrical. So we should shade this. If you see next to the one box, there is another box, but opposite to that it's not shaded. So if we do not shade this again, we won't make it symmetrical. So we need to shade this. So 2 boxes need to be shaded so that the given figure is symmetrical along the dotted lines. Mathematical reasoning question number 28. The number of prime factors of 225 is? There are 3 prime factors of 252. Mathematical reasoning question number 29. Identify the number. It is a 3-digit number. In all the options, every single option is a 3-digit number. All of its digits are different. In all of the options, all of its digits are different. The sum of all of its digits is 15. So first let us check the first 2 options. 651 and 762. The sum of all of its digits is 15. In the A option, the sum of the digit is not equal to 15. But in the B option, yes, it is equal to 15. So let us just check this B option if it satisfies the 4th condition. The 10th digit is 3 times than the 1st digit. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Yes, this B option satisfies all the 4 conditions. So the answer is the B option. A milk container can hold 14 3 by 5 liters of milk. How much milk can 10 such containers can hold? Capacity of milk in one container is equal to 14 3 by 5 liters. Therefore, capacity of 10 such milk containers is equal to 146 liters. Mathematical reasoning question number 31. A pole is painted red and white. The red portion is 1.8 meters long and the white portion is 3 times as long as the red portion. How long is the pole? Length of red portion is equal to 1.8 meters. Given length of white portion is equal to 3 times the red portion. So white portion is equal to 1.8 meters into 3, which is equal to 5.4 meters. Total length of the pole is equal to red portion plus white portion, which is equal to 7.2 meters. Mathematical reasoning question number 32. The given graph shows the number of students who have appeared in 5 different subjects of exams according to their interest. How many more students who have appeared in mathematics exam than in Sanskrit and in English exam together? Students who appeared for Sanskrit and English exam is equal to 50 students. Students appeared for mathematics is 60. So therefore 10 students have appeared more in mathematics. The fraction of number of students who have appeared in Hindi exam to the number of students who have appeared in science exam is? The fraction of number of students in Hindi exam to the science exam is equal to 5 by 4. Mathematical reasoning question number 34. Which of the following shows the result of 1156? As we can see here, the C option shows the result 1156. Mathematical reasoning question number 35. What is the product of all the common factors of 16 and 24? Common factors of 16 and 24 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Product of these common factors is equal to 64. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.